Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we will see what is the definition of the random variable and types of random variable with an illustration. So as the name itself indicates, random variable, it is a variable that takes on different numerical values depending on the outcome of a random experiment. So when we are doing an experiment, random experiment, we will get some outcome. So for that outcome, assigning some real number is nothing but a random variable. For each outcome, it assigns a real number. So whatever outcome we will get when we are doing the random experiment in the for each outcome in the sample space, we will assign a real number. So that is nothing but a assigning some real number to each outcome of the experiment is nothing but random variable. So mathematically, if we are talking, if S is a sample space, then assigning real value to each outcome in that sample space, that is called, or we will denote with capital letter X, that is nothing but random variable. So in general we'll have two types. One is the discrete random variable. Discrete random variable, it takes only countable values, we are able to count. So it will have finite, or the main thing is we may are not able to count if there are infinite number of elements, but we can able to count, but they are infinite. For example, so 0 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on up to infinite, but we are may able to count the number of outcomes. So for example, if you are tossing a coin three times, the number of heads that we will get when we toss the coin three times, for example, so first time we got 0 head, so that is denoted with 0. 1 head is denoted with real number, or we assigned 1. When we got 2 heads, we assigned the real number 2. And when we get 3 heads, we assigned the random a real value 3. When we toss a coin, so there might be all 3 tails. So here we have 0 head. So for that we can assign 0, or there may be 1 head. So there are different possible combination, but here we have 1 head. So for that we have assigned real value 1. So there may be 2 heads. So for that we have assigned real value 2, or there may be all the 3 heads. For that we have assigned the value 3. So here the number of heads that we got when we toss the coin three times is discrete. So that is why it is called discrete random variable. Whereas in case of continuous random variable, we cannot exactly count the number of items. So there will be uncountably infinite values. There will be uncountably infinite values over a given interval. So we may not able to exactly tell the value, the number of values that we may get in that given range. So it is continuous, it will have continuous range of values in that interval. So example is the voltage noise level in a resistor. So it may take any value in that possible range, for example some 0 to 2 millivolts. 0 to 2 millivolts, it can take any value. We may not exactly tell that value the voltage level will take. So in general, discrete random variable we will denote with probability mass function, whereas continuous random variable will describe with probability density function. So this is the illustration. So another example is number of defective items. A company is purchasing, a company is producing some goods. So there may be some defective items in the overall. So for example, they have produced, or they are manufactured some 100 items. Some 100 items they are produced. So the number of defective items we will be able to count specifically. We will be able to describe the number of defective items with some values. So whereas the time taken to finish a given task, so we cannot exactly tell, so it may be in from 1 to 2 hours, 1 to 2 hours, depending upon the person capability. They may finish the task at any given time, so we cannot exactly tell they will be able to finish the task within this exactly at this stipulated amount of time. So this is, friends, this is the definition of the random variable. And two types of random variable. There is another also random variable, mixed random variable. Mixed random variable is also there. For in this, it is a combination of discrete. For some range of values it can take discrete values, for some range as it may take continuous values. So if that is the case, then we will call it as the mixed random variable. So I hope you are all able to understand what is the definition of random variable and its types. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. If you have any doubts or if you need any topic, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for